Hello, I'm Officer Irwin, and today I'm going to read Night Night Dino-Snores by Nicola Edwards. Now the sun's rays sink low in the sky. Soon the bright stars will be shining up high. At last it is bedtime for all dinosaurs. The air will soon echo with loud dino-snores. Tyrannosaurus Rex holds on tight to Mom. The sky blushes gold, the breeze quiet and calm. As they head home together, all safe and sound, there's a soft, gentle hush in the air all around. Good night, tiny T-Rex. Sleepy Stegosaurus slow to a stop. This spot looks comfy, so down they flop. Together they gaze at the sparkling skies. They can rest here till the sun starts to rise. Good night, Sleepy Stegos. Triceratops snuggle. They're ready for bed. Mom plants a kiss on the little one's head. Among the soft leaves of the jungle they huddle. Bedtime is always the best time to cuddle. Good night, tired Triceratops. All day Diplodocus liked to munch leaves. Now they are settled among the tall trees. The dinos are dozing, curled up on the ground. Dad whispers good night. It's calm all around. Velociraptor rest in the cooling night air. They think of the fun they've had everywhere. All through the day they begin bouncing about. When nightfall arrives, they're all tuckered out. Good night, resting raptors. High up in the trees, with the world spread below, the leaves rustle gently, the sky all aglow. Three tiny pterosaurs head to their beds under Mom's wing. They are all small, sleepy heads. Two brontosauruses had a long day. It won't be long now till Dad's snoozing away. Mom curls up cozy and warm in a ball. Soon you'll hear Dad. He snores loudest of all. Good night, bedtime Brontos. Three Spinosaurs snuggle. They're ready to sleep. Huddled together, a small happy heap. Down on the bank by the river they sprawl, in a line from the big right down to the small. Good night, sneezing Spinos. Elasmosaurus makes no noise, not even a peep. The slow rocking ride gets him ready for sleep. Grandpa hums softly a lullaby tune as both of them bathe in the glow of the moon. The dinos are sleeping, the day's work is done. A chorus of snoring at last has begun. High up above, the stars twinkle so bright. Good night, dreaming dinos. We all say good night.